Now the pasta's boiling. We're gonna stir. I didn't put a lot of water in. I think I need to put more water in. I think I put too little water in. And we're gonna also turn it down a little bit.
Yes, we're getting it up.
Gonna pop some more water in. This is heavy. And Kinsley is eating some mango. Now we're gonna also check on our nugs. They're looking good. Looking good, looking good, looking good. No. That's like the most awkward angle ever. We're gonna stir our pasta now that got more water in it. Now that the pasta is all strained, all the water, you're gonna want to put it back into the pan. And then you're gonna get the box, or a box, and read the instructions on it. Okay, boil, cook, squeeze. Should be simple enough, right? I mean, what can go wrong? Right, Mom? What can go wrong? Oh wait, it's me you're talking about.
Yeah, drained.
I already drained. We got cheese packets. We got the kid. Brayden, say hi. Hi.
Hold on.
Oh my god, that's so satisfying. Sorry. That's some good stuff. Ooh, it looks like mayonnaise. It really looks like mayonnaise. But I swear to you, it's cheese. Let's go get the other packet opened. Kid, what are you doing? Ta 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 ta. Kinsley, say hello. Do you got bananas? You just heard Brayden go, ooh, he loves bananas. Let's go watch some more satisfying stuff. Ooh. 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 Ooh, that's super satisfying. Is she okay? I'm just gonna put some like music over this anyway. Oh my god. I'm gonna pause recording, sir. So the next step now. Pour the bacon in. Oh. Okay, get this open. There we go. Pour the bacon in. He's playing with a straw. Just let him go. And now, got more bacon bits. Ignore my toothbrush and toothpaste, please. It's down here for when I gotta work and I'm running late. Right, Mom? I'm just gonna stab this. Whee! Boom. Bacon! It's out of focus. Please go into focus. Please go into focus. There we go. Bacon! Bacon! There we go. Now we stir it. Oh. Is the final product. Not my to-do list. But we got the mac and cheese over here. The nugs are a little crunchy, a little burnt. But you know what? They're good. And we got some barbecue sauce. Oh, okay. That's good. Alright. Bye.